So the goal today is to find something or some things that I really, really love. We had a heat wave. I was not ready. And I realized that I really need some summer clothing for New York City. So hopefully we can find some good things. Guys, this is actually my second time recording this video. The first time it had low energy. It just wasn't working out. So the first stop, hopefully over here, is at Another Stories. This is a good way to add a little bit of color for those of us who usually wear neutrals. I'm really looking at sandals, this little scarf here. I'm bringing some color in. I know you guys get on me, but I'm bringing some color in. If you've been with me for a while, you know that it is just as important what's under your outfit as the outfit that the whole world sees. And I'm in the stage in my life where comfort is just as important to me as how something looks. I don't want to spend all day adjusting straps or dealing with undergarments that feel restrictive. And that's honestly what surprises me most about Under Outfit. A few of you asked for bra recommendations to wear with summer dresses. And if you've ever spent an afternoon pulling up a strapless bra every 5 minutes, you know the struggle. That's why I've been reaching for this one from Under Outfit. It's wireless, comfortable, and it gives me the support I'm looking for without feeling restrictive. What I appreciate the most is that once it's on, I don't really think about it. Whether I'm wearing a strapless dress, a one-shoulder top, or an off-the-shoulder neckline, it gives me a smooth foundation underneath my clothes so I can focus on enjoying my day instead of adjusting my bra. There are so many fabulous things about these bras. The first thing I noticed was how incredibly soft the fabric is. It almost disappears under your clothing, which is exactly what I want when I'm wearing dresses, lightweight knits, or fitted tops. The second thing is the support. These are wireless, but they still give me the shape and support I want without feeling like I'm counting down the minutes until I have to take my bra off. What I appreciate is that Under Outfit is designed for real women and real bodies. They offer a really inclusive size range, and you can tell comfort was actually considered throughout the whole design process. For me, these have become the pieces I reach for on busy days in New York, when I'm filming, when I'm running errands, when I'm heading to appointments, or just a long day out. They're comfortable enough to wear all day, but they still give that smooth, polished foundation that makes clothes fit better. If I were recommending these to a friend, and I am, I'd say the biggest selling points are definitely the softness and the wireless support. If you like to try Under Outfit for yourself, I'll have my link and discount code in the description box below. Let me know if you tried them before. I always love hearing what products you all are loving. All of this is very me. The dresses, the canvas bags, the gold hoop earrings, the little sandals, the colors. This is all very, very me. Is this not giving like 1960s baddie, especially with the sunglasses and my turban? This is so cute. And again, very, very me. I love that it flares out at the waist. This is cute, okay? Admittedly, I have a lot of black. I'm not gonna lie. However, every time, today is just not the day. It's very strange. My point is, it's a cute dress. I think it's cute. So there are definitely always options for hoop earrings, especially if you don't want to spend the money on 14, 18, 24. However, I will say if you do have the money, I would spend a little more, even though these look great. I'm not gonna lie to you. I would spend a little more if you can. If not, these are a fabulous alternative. I have a pair like this in 14K. They are a little smaller, right? So I would possibly think about getting these for $45 just because they're a little bigger. I like them. I love gold hoops. See, this is what's interesting. This is just like a white button-up dress. I guess this is like a skirt. I don't know how to describe it, but I like that it's different. Look at the back. I dig it. Few of you asked what lip combo I was wearing in my last video, so I wanted to share because it's incredibly easy. I started with a brown lip liner, as I do with most of my lip combos, and then I layered 2 beautiful pink shades on top. I applied the deeper, more vibrant pink first. Then I topped it lightly with the brighter pink for a touch of dimension. Together, they create the prettiest summer lip combo. I've been using these products from City Beauty, especially the City Lips glosses and the overnight plumping oil. And I love how hydrating and smooth they make my lips look. So first, I go in with the City Lips gloss. I've been rotating between these shades depending on the vibe, but what I really love is the shine and how comfortable it feels. It gives my lips a fuller looking, more defined finish without feeling sticky. Then in my nightly routine, I use the City Lips night oil before bed. It becomes one of my favorite self-care steps because I wake up with my lips feeling soft, nourished, and hydrated. I also love that this routine isn't just about the look right after applying. My lips actually will look smoother and healthier over time with consistent use. So I'm excited to see the results. So if you deal with dryness, lip lines, or you just want your lips to look more hydrated and glossy, definitely check these out. So try City Beauty for yourself and use my code with the link below to save 20% off. So these really 90s inspired type of silk and satin dresses are very much in right now. We are in Zara and this one is $60. Now, I will say it's a cute dress, but if you spend $20 more, you could get something that's 100% silk from Quince. It just depends what you want and if you want to save that $20, but it is really cute if that is your style. There's one thing I always appreciate is a dress during the summer, but really even an article of clothing that's already the outfit. So this is a really cute, again, that Michael Jackson inspired look we were talking about before. But if you like this is a whole outfit. Pair with some brown shoes or even red, a red bag, and you're ready to go. You're ready to go. Nice and easy, breezy. I love a whole look. I recently saw a famous person in something very similar, and I can't remember who it was. Anyway, this is really cute. I will say, since last year, I got a little tired of this bubble hem. I'm not gonna lie to you. I even said last year that I was over it and I was done. However, there are still some cute things. So just like this, paired with like some shorts or some capris and some heels, totally cute. Totally cute. I told you guys before that I hate things touching me during the summer. That also goes for boots. However, if you are a person that wears boots during the summer, these are super, super cute. It's like people don't even see the camera. These are super cute and they're a decent price. I think these are $150 and they're real suede, but they're cute. They're short. I personally feel like my feet would sweat, but I know people do boots during the summer and it can be a real look. This is $150 and it's real suede. Now it's really small, but I feel like it's cute for the summertime. You don't want a really heavy bag. And if you don't want to spend too much money, I think it's cute. It's a little smaller than my Givenchy Antigonia Mini. So that helps any, but it still feels like it would hold a lot or a good portion or a good bit for summer. I love the shape of this. This is an extra small, so this is clearly not mine. But if you lack a waist, this is something that will definitely help. That's super cute. There's red, white, purple, and a little stripe. Perfect for summer with some capris. I'm really into capris right now, if you haven't noticed. You know what's really sad about polka dots?
I like them. And this might be stupid on my part, but now that I see them everywhere, I don't want to wear the polka dots that I already had. I feel like we overdo it sometime and then we all end up looking the same and people don't see the camera. So now we look the same and no one sees the camera. And that's what's happening in today's video. You get my point. They come out with these sandals every year. I have them in like 3 or 4 colors. I still need probably a white one and maybe a lighter brown, but they are comfortable. They work really well. And yeah, these are a must-have for me during the summer from Zara. These bracelets have been in style for a few seasons now, and I think they're so cute. I haven't gotten any just because I usually wear like my gold and my diamond stacks, but I feel like if you are a kind of person who loves these and would get more wear out of them, Zara always has a great selection. These are $35 for 3. Not bad. So we're seeing, and I talked about this before, we're seeing a lot of primary colors. Blue and red, that beautiful electric blue I've been talking about for a while. And look at this beautiful dress from Mango. It's strapless, it flares out at the waist, beautiful. Love it. Not my color, but still. I feel like there's nothing like a nice cotton swing dress for the summer if you want to just throw this on. This is perfect. You probably have to size down because these dresses usually are bigger and run big. This is perfect. It's what, $69? Very, very cute. I'll leave other options in the description box. Also, remember when I was talking about having a nice light pair of trousers to wear if you don't like shorts or skirts? This is a perfect example. These are red. They feel amazing with a t-shirt, with a tank top, anything. Absolutely fabulous. I'm actually thinking about getting these. We'll see. So I was very interested in the Marissa Berenson collaboration with Zara. If you're not familiar with her, Marissa was one of the great style icons of the 1970s. She was a model, an actress, a muse, and a woman whose beauty and elegance felt both glamorous and effortless at the same time. What I love most about this collection is that it doesn't feel trend-driven. Instead, it feels like stepping into Marissa's world, a world of sun-soaked summers in Capri, evenings in Saint-Tropez, and flowing caftans, metallic, beautiful jewelry, and a sense of freedom that defined her era. As someone whose own style is inspired by women like Cicely Tyson, Bianca Jagger, and many other women from that time period, I find this collection especially refreshing. It reminds me that true style isn't about chasing what's new, it's about cultivating a point of view. Every week, I take note of what actually stands out. Not what's loud, not what's trending, but what's worth considering. So we have very much come off of a tiny sunglasses period in fashion, and we have stepped back into the oversized large sunglasses. There's a pair of Chloe glasses that are new that has sold out, and they are huge and round and fabulous, but they are also $500, and like I said again, sold out. So to see these on Nordstrom Rack, I think that they are a great steal. Now, while they are Chloe, they don't look like the new Chloe ones that have just come out, but they are very similar. This is a really beautiful, relaxed type of dress that I love to wear, paired with perhaps some brown sandals, or if you like a little color, brown and pink is always a nice thing to put on. I love this outfit. I actually bought this dress, and this is really cute. And the best thing of all, it has pockets and it's very affordable. Speaking of affordable, if you like Dragon Diffusion and you like the Dragon Diffusion bags, you know that they are good quality, but they are expensive.
I found this bag that is originally $600, maybe a little over $600, for $250. And I hope that by the time this video goes up, it's still in stock and that it is still that low price. And I also hope that I got a chance to buy it. So if you love these bags, but you don't want to spend that price, this is a great time to get a quality bag for a really good price. Speaking of really good prices, I found these Jimmy Choo shoes. Oh my goodness, you guys. If there's nothing I like more than a shoe is a designer shoe on sale. These are gorgeous. The yellow color is fabulous. And if yellow is too much, they have this beige color and they are hundreds of dollars off. I can't remember the exact price, but of course I will put it in the description box. They're fabulous. I love that the heel's not too high. You can wear these with dresses. You can wear, so many things. I'm just excited to find something on sale. In another video, I showed you a very similar dress from Zara that was green. I love a swing dress. This is again from Zara. I love the vibrant red. I have slowly been adding some more color, as you see, and red is like the first one, a very certain type of red. Not every red works for me, but this bright red does. I love that it has pockets. I think that these brown flats or ballet flats are just so sweet and they are a really good price. These are from Frank Serrato and I believe they're a little over $100, even to wear with a red dress, right? Brown and red, very nice together. And yeah, I'll put that in the description box. I showed you a very similar pair to this in the beginning of the video. These are from Quince, but the ones I showed you were from & Other Stories. These are much cheaper depending on what you want. Right? So the ones from & Other Stories were 130 maybe. These are 80, right? Sometimes Quince, they get it right a lot of the time. So go check it out if these are a pair of sandals that you are looking for. I showed you in one of my videos that I got this bag in black and I loved it because it could be styled 3 different ways. If you're unfamiliar, this bag can be a clutch, it could be a little top handle bag, and it could also be a over-the-shoulder bag. It has 3 different straps. And they recently came out with this brown croc, which adds a little fun element to it if you are a croc person. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and I will see you in my next video.